Hi, Shlok. You can continue with your speech.
Yes, ma'am. My experience with Slick Talks. My thoughts before and after joining Slick Talks. Before joining, I thought that these classes would be boring, as I thought there would be no fun activities at all. At that time, I thought working and learning life skills would be way too boring for me. But after joining, I realized how much this is going to help me in the future. In one of my recent classes with Slick Talks, I learned that in our life, only 10% of education and other skills matter. And the other 90% is all about our attitude, communication, and other life skills. In Slick Talks, I have learned verbal communication, organizing thoughts, speech creation, presentation skills, goal setting, time management, handling procrastination, positive thinking, anger management, handling obstacles, attitude, leadership skills, and being a better version of myself. I knew that implementing all of this would be really hard in my day, would be really hard. But the biggest improvement I see in myself after joining Slick Talks is that I've become more of a positive person. I always think positive these days. In Slick Talks, we have learned at looking at things in positive angles also. Before, I wouldn't think anything positively. I would always look at the negatives and keep whining and complaining. But after Slick Talks, I've become so positive. I would like to conclude by thanking Sujata ma'am for having been my tutor and mentor in these 8 classes. I had a very good experience at Slick Talks. Thank you.
Thank you, Shlok. Stay well, stay blessed.
Thank you, ma'am.